New Holland Repair Shop. Oh, New Holland Brake Shop is OP again. I think he meant to say open. Call Derry opened a New Holland Repair Shop. What are you fixing? Tractor? Fixing the tractor. He's got himself a chair, an ottoman for his shoes, chairs for his sisters, all the stuff, his equipment on his workbench here. Four-wheeler's ready for some repairs. You got a bunch of tools? Getting everything fixed up good? How many tractors you say you fix in a day? You got some new Kinko gloves from the creamery?
Yep.
Farming ain't easy, but you're doing great.